What's up, guys? So I'm making this video today to show you guys exactly how well my Avalon King ceramic coating has lasted within the last 8 months that I've been having this coating on my paint. Avalon King promotes this ceramic coating as a DIY friendly, and I applied it myself, and it is exactly what they say, DIY friendly. So today what I want to do is show you guys exactly how well this ceramic coating has held up on my paint. So I'm going to throw water on the paint and show you guys how well it still beads off and how well it sheets off after 8 months. September will mark 1 year for the ceramic coating, so I'm excited to show you guys, and hopefully this will encourage any of you to buy the ceramic coating and ceramic coat your car yourself. So I do want to note that I've done the bare minimum to take care of the ceramic coating. I do my regular weekly to I would say bi-weekly washes on my car with Chemical Guys soap. Not any ceramic coating specific kind of soap until about a week or two ago. I ordered Car Pro Reset, and it's a ceramic coating specific shampoo, and then I used Iron X from Car Pros as well to remove any kind of like contaminants or pollution that has landed on my paint within the last 8 months since I ceramic coated my vehicle. So the whole point of this video is Avalon King worth your money? Should you buy it? What I think about it, and if I'm happy with this product. I'm also going to show you guys some clips of how well this ceramic coating has held up and how well it beads and sheets water off the paint. So let's get straight into it. So this is the packaging that you would get if you ordered Avalon King ceramic coating. I ordered two. They were having a sale at the time, and I applied it back in, I want to say, mid-September. So this is the one that I already used, but I'm going to show you guys the unopened one so that you guys can see exactly what comes inside of this box. So you get a thank you card. You get this card so that you can insert the suede cloth into the foam applicator. Then you have your actual ceramic coating bottle here. It's a 30 ml. Pretty cool, pretty simple. You get this really nice plush feeling microfiber towel to wipe off the ceramic coating. Then you get a pair of nitro gloves. The foam applicator itself. And then 3 of these application cloth. A sticker, and then lastly, if I can get them out, the instructions. So it's pretty straightforward, honestly. I had never ceramic coated any vehicle before, and coming across Avalon King on YouTube and then going on their website and seeing their application instructions, it made me feel confident enough that I would be able to apply my own ceramic coating on my car. So they even give you a method to prep your car paint in order to actually apply the ceramic coating. So I went ahead and I followed this method. I actually added, after the wash, paint decontamination, and I applied Iron X from Car Pro onto my paint. And then I went ahead and rinsed it off, and then I did the clay bar. And then I went ahead and I did a 3-step paint correction on my paint. It didn't need it, but I wanted to make sure that when I applied the ceramic coating that it was going to come out, perfect, just the way that I envisioned it. And then lastly, you go ahead and you wipe any kind of oils from the polish off of your paint with rubbing alcohol. And that's pretty much it. Then they tell you how exactly to apply it. It's really easy. I think the hard part to do the ceramic coating is mainly the amount of time it takes. So the awesome things about when you ceramic coat your car is that it protects your paint from any bad weather, sunny weather, from rain. Um, if you get any kind of bird shit on your paint, you don't have to wash it within that same day. You could leave it there for a week, although I wouldn't recommend, and your paint will be fine. Protect from any kind of tree sap, any pollution that you get from driving every day. It just makes washing your car so much more easier. So to get straight to the point, yes, I do believe that Avalon King is worth your money. I'm really happy with it. The results speak for themselves. They're amazing, and it's something that I would encourage everybody to go out and try if you're considering ceramic coating your own car. I'm not sponsored by Avalon King whatsoever. I went ahead and I bought this product with my own money, and I decided to make this video simply because I'm super impressed and again happy with the results that I got with this product. It is time consuming, I will say. It took me about 30 hours and no less than 25. I started on a Friday afternoon, I would say around 5:30, and finished Sunday around 8:30. So if you're gonna do this, I would definitely say put a week in the way towards just getting this done and making sure that you do a paint correction on your car, because if you apply this ceramic coating with your paint being as is, then you're gonna see some scratches that you might have not noticed before. So if your paint's not even bad, I would say hit it with the light polish and then follow all the instructions that are in the instruction manual that are provided to you from the Avalon King ceramic coating. But yeah, for $70, this is a no-brainer, and that's paying full price. Usually I've seen Avalon King offers coupons, so you can get this product, I would say, under $60, and if you're lucky, sometimes you can get it under $50. Now this is the reason why I say it makes drying that much more easier. You could literally pick up your leaf blower and air dry your car. Boom, you're done. Now if you're picky like me and you like to make sure that your paint actually looks good, then you're going to grab a microfiber towel with the quick detailing spray and then just give it a wipe down. But if you don't care, you're pretty much done at this step. If you ceramic coat your car, I'm sure you care though. So you're going to do the extra step and it's going to look amazing. So Avalon King claims to give at least 2 years of protection, which I'm pretty confident about. I'm going to hit my first year in September. Right now in June, I have 8 months with the coating on, and I did my first maintenance wash 2 weeks ago with Car Pro Reset, and I also hit it with some iron remover so I can remove any kind of iron particles and any kind of pollution that has landed on my car from everyday use. And it's working amazing, honestly. For prior to doing the maintenance wash, only using a pH neutral soap from Chemical Guys, which is honeydew snow foam soap, the coating has held up really, really well. I mean, you can see right here in this clip, it's on a. I try to hit it. I try to show you guys, um, you know, the coating in action by trying to hit the more flatter surfaces of the car. I mean, on the roof, look how well it still like sheets off the paint and does not want to stay on. So it's a great product. I know you guys saw how gray that water looks, how dirty it looks, and that's because I hadn't washed my car yet. And that's one of the benefits of having a ceramic coated vehicle is that when you rinse your car, it makes, well, the ceramic coating keeps the dirt on the top, so it prevents it from sticking onto your actual paint layer or your clear coat because it's an extra layer of protection. So when you pre-rinse it, you get all that dirt off that gets stuck in the water beads, and when you hit it with the foam cannon, it allows for the soap to trap that dirt and then drag it down with it, so that when you hit it with the contact wash, you reduce your chances of swirl marks and more scratches. Another cool thing is that although it doesn't necessarily keep your car from getting dirty, it does help it look clean longer, if that makes sense. You'll still get dirt on your car, it just won't get as dirty as fast, And when it does get dirty, it'll still look nice and shiny and glossy from a distance because of the ceramic coating. Once you get up close to it, you'll notice the dirt and obviously you'll see that it's dirty, but it helps your car stay cleaner longer. I also have my wheels ceramic coated, and again I hit them with the leaf blower to dry them, and then I'll go ahead and I'll grab a microfiber towel and then just make sure I get any kind of water that I didn't get with the leaf blower. And to wrap up the video, well, here are some clips of how my paint looks after it's completely dry. Paint looks really deep, it looks nice and wet, super glossy, and I'm happy. And I'm sure if you guys buy this, you guys will be just as happy as me.